students, I am here with new chapter Water in Our Lives, unit number 7 Water. Let's recollect. Earth is called the blue planet because three-fourths of the earth is covered with water. But even then, we often face water shortage. In this chapter, you will learn about the sources of water, importance of water, water cycles, reason of water shortage and storage of water. Water is one of the most important natural resources found on the earth. It is present all the three stages solid, liquid and gas. Water exists on the earth mainly in the liquid form. Next point, sources of water. Rain is the main sources of water on the earth. It fills rivers, lakes and ponds that form surface water. Although there is so much water on the earth, 97% of it is present in seas and oceans and is salty. Hence, it cannot be used for household purpose. Sources of water discuss one by one. First one is pond. Pond is a small water body. Lake. Lake is a large water body. River. A river is a water body that has water flowing down from the mountains. Water from rivers and lakes is used for domestic purpose. Most rivers join large water bodies such as seas and oceans. Rainwater seeps into the ground through the soil and is available as underground water. Underground water can be drawn out by digging well with the help of hand pump and tube wells. Water drawn out by tube wells is used for irrigation field. In town and city, water is supplied to our homes from rivers and lakes. The public water supply system is responsible for cleaning this water and then supplying the clean water to our house through a network of pipes. The water in our taps is often not safe for drinking. This water can be made safe for drinking by boiling and using water filters. Water worship. Since ancient times, water has been worshipped in our country. People pray to the rain god in case there is no rain. Rivers like Gangas are considered holy. People believe that taking a dip in this river free a person from all sins. Holy water is also used by the Muslim before namaz. People are often seen washing their hands and feet before entering sacred places like gurudwaras and temples. Christians also sprinkle holy water the Amrit Sarovar at Golden Temple in Amritsar, Balas of Rajasthan, Puskarnis of South India, Kundas of North India are sacred tanks and are way in which water was considered in ancient India. Rain, natural sources of water. Rain is the main sources of water on earth. It is welcomed by all of us after the hot summer season. Children love to play in the rain. Children love to play in the rain and also sell paper boats. Birds hide themselves among the branches of trees. The peacock is seen dancing in the rain. The surroundings look clean, fresh and green after a shower of rain. Thank you for watching.